Hey everyone, Kyle here at Forefront Web. We're excited to talk to you today about our partnership with Wildix and you, their partners. We are a digital marketing agency that has been building websites and creating successful digital marketing campaigns for the past 18 years. We're happy to now offer kite installations on your own websites. This typically takes us a couple of hours once we receive the information that we need. Are you looking to get more out of your current website? We offer two main services here at Forefront. First, SEO and digital marketing. Need some help getting more traffic to your site and converting that traffic into leads? Well, we can help. Second, web design and development. Does your current website need an update or just a facelift? The good news is that Wildix partners receive a discounted hourly rate. Go to our website at forefrontweb.com/Wildix and fill out the quick form with some basic information on how to get started. Also, feel free to browse our website to see all that we can offer. We are super excited about our new partnership with Wildix.